Creating a mining pool, Part 2. Then we are going to type the command su-pool. We are now switched over to our pool user again. We are going to create new directories. Copy and paste the first command. This will make a directory named compl. This is where we are going to store our wallet binaries initially. Then return to the paste bin and copy the next command. This will make one named daemon. Enter the new directory named compl by typing cd compl. Here we are going to get our binaries for our tutorial coin, Vision X. If you navigate to our repository, you can see the path to our release. Our binaries are packed in a tar.gz compression named Linux. The path to the release is shown here. Just add /download /v1.0 /linux.tar.gz. Copy and paste the command and wait for it to complete. Typing ls, we can see that we now have the compressed folder in our compl directory. The next command will extract the binaries from the tar.gz. Copy and paste this into the terminal. Hit enter. We can now see we have extracted the files. We now have a folder named Linux. The binaries are located inside this folder. So type cd linux, then ls. This will show the contents of the Linux folder. Now we can see we have all the binaries. We are going to make a new folder named Vision X. This will be inside the folder named daemon. Copy the command and paste it into the terminal. With that done, we now need to copy our binaries to the new Vision X folder. Each coin you add will have its named folder inside the daemon folder. This folder will contain the essential binaries. We do not need to copy the Qt over, only the daemon, tx and the CLI. Next, we are going to navigate to the Vision X folder, which now contains the 3 binaries. To do that, copy and paste the next command. Typing ls will show the binaries that were copied over. The next command will strip the Vision X daemon. This removes anything unused in the binary, and reduces the file size. In previous videos we stripped the daemon before we pushed it to GitHub. However, it doesn't hurt to do this again. Sometimes, you will be adding coins that have not been stripped already. Now we are going to open a second terminal using PuTTY. Copy the IP address of your server, and open PuTTY. Do not close your first terminal yet. In the new terminal, we are going to log in as the user pool. Provide the password for pool, and hit enter. Copy the next command, sudo /visionxd. Head to your first server. Paste in the command. Then leave a space and type -daemon. Hit enter. We have now started the daemon for Vision X. We can close the first terminal and move over to the second terminal. The next command will stop the daemon. When our wallet is started for the first time, it creates the .visionX core folder. This contains the important files. We need to stop the daemon, access and edit the config file. So, copy and paste the next command into the terminal to navigate back to our visionX folder. Then copy the next command to stop the daemon. You will need to provide your password for the user pool. With the daemon stopped, head back to the paste bin and copy the next command. Before pasting the command, type cd to return to the main directory. Then paste in the command cd.visionX core. Type ls and you will see all the containing files. We're going to edit the visionX.config file. To do that, we're going to use nano again. Use the command sudo nano visionX.config. Hit enter. We are now faced with a blank configuration file. We are going to go back to our mining pool and create a new coin now. Add the path to log in as admin. Then navigate to the Wallets tab. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Create Coin. Type the name of the coin and its symbol or ticker. In our case, our coin name is VisionX, and our symbol is VSX. Add the name of the algo. Our tutorial coin is X16S. Then scroll down and click on Create. Now we are going to search for our coin in the list. Click on its name and go to Coin Properties. In the daemon tab, we are going to add the RPC host as localhost 127.0.0.1 and add a username. The username can be anything you like. Be sure to change it to something you will remember. Then go to the bottom and save. Next, return back to Coin Properties. And inside the daemon tab, you will see the configuration file details. Highlight all and copy. Move back to the terminal and paste into the visionX.config file that is open. Head back to the paste bin. We need to edit the path to include /var /stratum /block notify. Copy this part and go back to the config file. Paste it in the correct place. Then save and exit the file using Ctrl+X. Then Y and enter. Now we are going to type cd ... to return to the main directory. The next command will take us back to the VisionX folder to launch the daemon. Copy and paste the command into the terminal. Now we can restart the daemon. The configuration file that was edited will help communication between the pool and the wallet. Copy and paste the command to start the daemon. We don't actually need to add the word daemon anymore, as we put daemon equals 1 in the config file. But it doesn't hurt. We could now run it without. With the daemon now running, we can return to the settings in our pool. Click Enable and Auto Ready. Then at the bottom, click Save. We can then see the block height. In that we have 3 connections. We're going to check the block height against the Explorer. It needs to be at the current block height for a full sync. We can see that our block height matches the Explorer block height. So now we can move on. If you are waiting for the blockchain to sync, you can click on Update Blocks. This is located in the top right of the screen. Now we know we have a full sync. Head back to the terminal. Press Ctrl and C to exit. Then type sudo, then press Enter. We will return to the root, so we need to put in our root password. Copy that from your server page again. Next we are going to allow the port number 3663 for mining. Copy and paste the command. UFW allow 3663 /TCP. Then hit enter. It will show the rules added. Then we are going to copy and paste the next line to open our screen. The next command will take us to the Stratum folder. Copy and paste it into the terminal. This is our final command. We need to run the x16's algo in the Stratum. Use sudo bash run.sh x16s. Now when we return to the pool, we can refresh the browser. We can see that our Vision X coin is there. It can now be mined. We can see our algo, the port number, and that our fees are set to the default 0.5%. All that's left to do is test to see if we can mine on the Stratum. We can see that we are able to mine and connect to the Stratum. There are no errors and it is registering in our terminal. So, that's how you create a mining pool. If you want to edit the look of your pool, you should open your server in Bitvise and explore the CSS files. To add different coins, just follow the same process. Start from cloning the coin to the compo folder, copying it over to its coin name file. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you are launching your own coin mining pool should just be used as a backup pool. You don't need the hassle of managing a pool day in, day out. Adding other coins. At the point of adding our tutorial coin into the directory named Compal, you can change the coin for a different one. Just remember to follow the process with the new coin name, and not Vision X, where the algo x16s is mentioned in the commands. Replace it with your coin algo. The process will be the same with any coin. In our next tutorial, we will be looking at setting up a Discord channel for your coin. This needs to be presented and organized well, ready for launch day.